You can find the Software Center in one of two locations. First, look to your taskbar. It may already be pinned there. If not, it is located under the Start button. You should find it within the icons listed on the right-hand side, or you can simply start typing in Software Center and it should appear. Once you open the Software Center, you can look for Zoom under the Applications and possibly locate it within the first icons that appear. If not, you can use the search bar and type in Zoom and locate it in that way. Once you locate Zoom, simply tap on it and you will see the Install button. Because I already have it installed, I have an uninstall option. You will install Zoom from here.